Hey guys, I have a fun tutorial for you today where I'll show you a new way to add fringe to your work. If you try this one, be sure to tag me on Instagram or Facebook. I always love to see your projects. As always, if you're enjoying my channel, a like, comment, and subscribe is really helpful. Thanks so much. Let's get started. Cut 8 pieces of 4mm string, each piece is 4 feet in length. Cut another piece of string, 1.5 feet in length, to use as your filler cord. Tie one row of double half hitch knots across your work, 16 knots total. Find the center of your work and tie a diamond. To do this, use the inside left cord as your filler cord and tie a double half hitch knot working to the right. Tie 3 more double half hitch knots moving to the right. Use the current inside left cord as your filler cord and tie 3 double half hitch knots moving to the left. Tie a square knot in the middle of your diamond. Use the outside left cord as your filler cord and tie 3 double half hitch knots moving down and to the right. Repeat on the right side of your work. Tie one more double half hitch knot in the middle of your work to connect the two sides. Cut another piece of string 2 feet in length to use as your filler cord. Tie 2 double half hitch knots on the left side of your work. Let the filler cord hang below the diamond and then tie 2 more double half hitch knots on the right side of your work. Cut 18 pieces of string, each piece is 1 foot long. Fold each in half and use a cow hitch knot to attach each piece to your work. What is great about this pattern is that it's adjustable. The section of fringe can be created bigger or smaller depending on what you're envisioning for your piece of work. Leave the filler cords hanging, tuck them into the back of your work, or cut off the ends. If you're worried about the ends coming undone, you can always add a dab of glue to secure it in place. Thanks so much for watching.